Amazon Music app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. The main reason your application might not be working is because you are not using the latest version of your Amazon Music app. So let's head over to our Play Store and search for Amazon Music. If you see update beside the app's name, tap on update and update your app. But in case you see open, just leave that as it is. Come back to your home screen and open your settings. In here, scroll below onto apps. And here, search for Amazon Music. For example, if this is my Amazon Music app, head over to your storage and clear the data. Also, make sure that you remember your credentials before doing so. Once done, tap on Delete. Now come back and tap on Force Stop and tap on OK. Once done, this shall fix your app not working problem. In case you are still facing that issue, you have to uninstall that application overall and reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store. And that will definitely fix your app not working problem in your device. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.